Hi guys, Chet here. Now, if you've been exploring project management tools, you've probably seen Basecamp pop up more than once. It's mainly built for teams that don't want to deal with complex workflows or endless menus. You log in, see your tasks, chat with the team, and move on. In this video, I'll break down everything that you need to know about Basecamp, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Basecamp actually is. At its core, Basecamp is a project management and team collaboration tool that focuses on simplicity. Unlike many other platforms that feel too crowded or confusing, Basecamp gives you a clean space where you can handle tasks, share files, and talk with your team. Everything is inside of one convenient place, so you don't need to use 10 different apps for one single project. Now let's see how Basecamp handles collaboration. Basecamp gives you all of the basics needed to work together as a team. Each project will come with tools like a message board, a to-do list, a schedule for deadlines, file storage, and a group chat called Campfire. There are also check-ins that remind your team to give updates regularly. The layout is easy to understand, and most people can use it right away without any training. Now, one of the biggest strengths of Basecamp is its simplicity. It's great for teams who don't want to deal with too many settings or options. Everything is organized clearly, which helps everyone stay on the same page. It works especially well for remote teams or agencies that handle many clients. You can keep each project separate so things don't get mixed up. But of course, Basecamp does have some limits. It doesn't have advanced features like Gantt charts, built-in time tracking, or detailed reports. You also cannot create task dependencies, which is exactly what some teams need. There are extra features like admin tools and timesheets, but even with those, Basecamp might feel too simple for people who want a lot of control and customization. Furthermore, the number of integrations is also a bit limited. It does work with email and Zapier, but that's really about it. If your team depends on connecting lots of tools, this might not be enough. Still though, for teams that want fewer distractions and a clean workflow, the simple setup could actually be a benefit. Now let's take a look at the numbers. Pricing for Basecamp offers 3 plans. The free plan costs nothing and gives you one project with 1 GB of storage. The plus plan charges per user and offers unlimited projects, 500 GB of storage, and 24/7 support. Now the Pro Unlimited plan is $349 per month if you pay monthly. This one includes 5 TB of storage, unlimited users and projects, all advanced features, and top support. You can also save by paying yearly. So overall, Basecamp is a solid choice for teams who want something that works without being too complicated. It's not built for teams that need deep features or full customization, but if you're a freelancer, a small team, or an agency looking for a clean, dependable way to manage projects, Basecamp can do the job really well. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.